House lovers, I have a bird in the house, and I'm showing you because I want to share it with you. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, there she goes. It's okay, love. I'm over here. You're safe. I should take down the clothing and let the sweetheart get out. I have to remove myself and pull clothing out. Where are you, darling? Maybe she already escaped. Okay. There's a butterfly in here too. Lots of insects today. Oh, the butterfly. Look at that outside the window. Oh, there's the bird. Okay. Hi, darling. I can't do much to help until she decides to move on her own. Hi, love. We happen to have 2 loads of laundry hanging in here. Yeah, okay. I don't know what to do to help. Out you go. Let's see if I can. She probably senses human scent. Hi, darling. That's not quite the right side of the door. My panel fell off, but it didn't break, so I put duct tape on and some poster glue. I have to get this bird out. Next video I'll tell you how it ended. Peacefully and happily. Oh, there she goes, all by herself. Hi! You're being caught on the internet. I think you're going to be famous. Can you see her there? Lower left panel. It's okay, sweetheart. You're really safe with me. That's the good news. I'm gentle. You must be hungry. Time to go find some food. We just filled the bird feeder out front, so Emily Island got a big bag of really good bird food, really nourishing food for birds, so she can go find that out front. Maybe if I open that door, she'll get a bit of direction. I'm afraid of approaching her. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you're gorgeous. Yep. Yep. It's just a flop down and then to the left. And out you fly. Mm-hmm. This is more entertaining than what's happening on the news, which is mostly dreadful. Thank you for bringing us some peace. It's okay, love. Yeah! There you go. Flop down and flop out. And fly up into the hills. You're so cute. Oh, yeah. Take a plunge. Take a leap. Yep, there you are. I'm gonna rush at her from the other way so she goes. Yay! Yay! Ouch! Ah! Ah! Oh! Okay, I don't know how to help because I can't touch her. I'll come from the other side. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. How it went. Cheers! Oh. Okay, I'll let you know how it went tomorrow.